The Eucharistic Miracle of Marseille-en-Beauvais, France, 1533. During the end of December in the year 1532, thieves entered the parish church and stole a precious silver ciborium that contained consecrated hosts. The hosts were discarded and abandoned under a large rock along the side of a local road. On the first day of January, Mr. Jean Moucque walked down a street during a snowstorm. A rock on the side of the road captured his attention because it did not have any snow on it. When he lifted the rock, he was amazed to find the abandoned hosts were still completely intact. Mr. Moucque immediately reported what he saw to the pastor, Father Prothais. The priest, accompanied by many of the church congregation, carried the hosts into the parish church. They also placed a cross on the location in the street where the hosts were found, still miraculously intact. In order to accommodate the large number of devoted faithful who would come to see and visit, eventually a chapel of the Sacred Hosts was built. The Lord worked many miracles at this chapel. The historian Pierre Louvert describes some of these miracles in his writings, which are in French but translate to A History of the City of Beauvais. This is still available on Amazon. There was the extraordinary story of the curing of a priest, Father Jacques Sauvage, who was completely healed after being paralyzed and having lost his ability to speak. Mr. Dutreche, blind from birth, also regained his sight. Despite all of these miracles and graces given by God around these hosts, the Bishop Count of Bourret, Order de Coligny, converted to Calvinism and married Elizabeth of Hauteville. Before publicly renouncing his faith, he ordered the miraculous hosts to be consumed. Today, the Chapel of the Sacred Hosts still stands, and every year on the second day of January, a solemn Mass is celebrated in honor of the miracle of 1533. This miracle of the stolen hosts and many others are all contained in the book entitled The Eucharistic Miracles of the World. A link to purchase it on Amazon is posted below or above.